Alright, let's get real. You're about to sell your home and you want top dollar. Who doesn't? But here's the thing, not every fix is worth your time or your money. Let's break down exactly what you should repair before listing your house and what you can totally skip. First up, let's talk curb appeal. This one's a must. That first impression, it matters more than you think. Trim the bushes, mow the lawn, plant a few flowers, and throw a fresh coat of paint on the front door. You want buyers to feel like they're walking up to their future, not a project. Now, inside the house, focus on the basics. Fix leaky faucets, squeaky doors, and any cracked windows. These little issues may seem minor to you, but buyers notice everything, and when they do, they start mentally subtracting dollars from their offer. Here's where you can save some cash. Don't go ripping out your kitchen or gutting the bathrooms. Unless the cabinets are falling off the hinges or there's water damage, buyers usually want to put their own spin on these spaces anyway. A deep clean and maybe some new hardware, that's enough. Got old carpets? If they're just dated but clean and intact, leave them be. But if they're stained or have that mystery smell, think about replacing or at least getting them professionally cleaned. Lighting is another quick win. Swap out any burnt bulbs and consider updating tired fixtures with something modern but affordable. Bright, well-lit rooms feel larger and more welcoming. Here's a pro tip. Paint goes a long way. Stick to neutral colors. Think soft grays, beiges, or warm whites. It gives buyers a blank slate and helps your space look fresh and bigger. Now, what can you skip? Major renovations, fancy landscaping, or installing smart home tech. These upgrades rarely get you your money back, and honestly, most buyers are more interested in good bones and potential. One more thing, declutter. Take out half the stuff in your closets, clear the countertops, and pack up personal photos. You want buyers to imagine their life here, not be distracted by yours. To sum it up, fix what's broken, give your home some love where it counts, and skip the big projects. You'll save money, reduce stress, and get your place sold faster. And for more. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more expert tips on getting the most out of your real estate journey. Thanks for watching.